Dinosaurs could get stoned or would be demoned. Cheetah, Peter, Nikita, repeater, airplane wing. I've got a grip on my fingertip that's balming tip, air conditioning remission. I'm in Lyon, working on my phone with French Solomons on my feet, hunkered down in my seat. The Delta Sky team is faster than a laser beam. Intercom saying flight time 105. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Shut the door. It's 1954. It's the new Delta flight, and it's very bright. The rampage is on strike, and we're gonna wait. Psych. The airplane goes into gear. The flight attendant disappears. It looks like the wing has graffiti in the Emerald of Saint-Exupéry. I can't remember the street sign. We're in front of the line. We gon' it, we gon' it. Make our exit. Matanoma pegs it. I'm on it, I'm on 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 it. Cheetah, Peter, Nikita, repeater. 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 I'm a pro at traveling, Empress she is agreeing. Shadows from my hand in this far and distant land. I wish I could smoke, lucky the ship ain't broke. I could feel it in my toes, my body in throes. I allowed no shade, the airplane bayed. It was in the three-seater that I brought my heater. Good to see you, I should have said, and told him where I stead. Quicker than Cheek Shaloub, I choose a blank screen on the tube. I'm on it, I'm on it. 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 I should have gone to see Smarty, I mean go to Rome to see Cartier. I should have gotten a Sprite, but you know what, that's alright. I'm on it, I'm on it. Tight blue Muranos, white Nike shirt, head all hurt. A young man I am, and this isn't Pan Am. I've got short hair, and they're kicking my chair. I got a fresh new haircut, how you doing, soda butt? I close my eyes as the plane goes up. I'm on it, I'm on it. 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 Cheetah, Peter, Nikita, repeater. 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 Thread in the juice, the pilot gave it the juice. Have you ever been out on an airplane wing? We're not gonna wait, we're popping right off the gate. There are many different airlines, but now it's too late. We must have been something inertial. Skip the in-flight commercial. We skipped left for the right for an indirect flight. The tires could have squealed. Thank God the deck door was sealed. It's the new thing from Delta, with me helter-skelter. Cause I'm on it, I'm on it. 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 Cheetah, Peter, Nikita, repeater. 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 Cheetah, Peter, Nikita, repeater.